Hey, it's Davion. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all okay. So today I am going to be doing a makeup look and a little chat with you guys as well, because I think, why not? I need to know your opinions, okay? Today I'm going to just do a very subtle makeup look that is going to involve some of my new products that were mentioned in my previous video, and also some of my other ones that I have, such as my Chanel's and everything like that. So I am just going to be using some of more of my newer products and see how this look turns out. So first, as I always do, gonna just go on my Revolution and conceal my eyes. Oh girl, I don't have a mirror. So now I've got my mirror, I'm gonna conceal my eyes. I'm actually gonna be using my C6 in my Revolution. I got this in my Beauty Bay box. So I'm just going to I am just going to slowly put a couple of dabs on my eye. As you can see, I look stunning with that. And I'm just going to be using my contour brush by Kevin Kwan. This one here, I'm just going to use it to actually blend out on my eyes, because I thought it would just be an easier look and easier try. So I do have dry skin just in the corner of my eye there, so it is getting slightly harder to actually blend things onto my eyelid. That's why I haven't been uploading many videos with makeup, because my eyelids are very, very dry at the moment, and so dry that they're actually bleeding. Just basically, I just need to try and get my eyelids back to normal and looking pretty. But it's just very hard at the moment to get the time to do so because of Christmas. Once you have blended it out, as you can see, just there is my dry skin. It has actually picked up the product really disgustingly on it, but there's nothing I can really do about that. So next, as I said, I'm going to go in for a very subtle glam. I'm actually going to use my Clara Cosmetics. This is the Marrakesh palette. I've had this for a little while now. As you can see, it is a well-used palette. I do love this palette. I think it is stunning. I'm going to start off using my Morphe brush, my M513 brush. I'm just going to dab into this colour here. I don't know what it's called. I don't even know if it has a name. Tapping it off. And I'm just going to blend that into the outer crease of my eye. I am taking this jacket off. I can hardly move my arms upwards. Oh, bit more free now, bit more free. So next I'm going to go back into the Marrakesh palette, and I am going to use this dark brown colour just here. I'm going to actually just use the same brush. I'm going to tap it off, and I'm going to blend that again in the outer corner of my eye. This just gives it a bit of definition, bit different, you see. This is probably very similar to the looks I have done before, but I thought, why not? I'll do it again. Just thought it'd be quite nice. Do a little subtle glam look, 'cause you never know. So next I'm going to go back into the Marrakesh palette, and with my JS6 brush, I'm actually, let me bend this over, there you go. So with the JS6 brush, I'm going to go into this warm brown colour just at the top here. I'm going to tap it off, and I'm just going to use that just on the top of where I just put that dark colour. In my next video that I'm actually going to be doing, I will be in a hotel room, because I am going to be in Bridgewater working there. And that's going to be fun. So yes, let's see how that one turns out, because I only have a small suitcase and I don't know if I'm going to be able to fit everything in that I need. So it will be a trial and error. So once you have that all blended out onto there, I am going to again go back into the Marrakesh palette with my Morphe M57, M507, and I'm going to go into the black colour, and I'm going to just put this right in the outer corner of my eye, but I'm not going to make it too harsh because it's going to look stupid otherwise. So I'm just going to put it just here and bring it slowly upwards. Just gives it a bit more definition. Going to just quickly blend this with the M513 brush just that I used at the beginning. Just blend that all around. Now going to change palettes. I'm going to go from this. I am now going to go into the Burberry collection that I bought. As you can see, it was the one that I bought last time on my YouTube. So I'm going to be using the single pan eyeshadow. I'm going to be using the single pan eyeshadow from the Burberry. I think I'm going to use this flat brush. This is a Morphe M167 brush. I'm going to use a little mirror on here because I think that will give me a nice definition. I'm just going to brush it a couple of strokes across. And I'm just going to put this mainly on the actual eyelid itself. Such a glittery, really pretty glittery colour. Oh, I love it. I'm going to go back into the Morphe and I'm just going to blend that around. So next I'm going to go into my matte Soft and Gentle Mineralizing Finish Powder. I'm actually going to go in again with a Morphe brush, M43-1 brush. I'm going to just pop this on this brush and this is just going to go onto the inner corner. Just blending it also upwards with the Burberry one. So to define the corner of the eye, I'm going to go into the Burberry. This is the highlighting one. This is, oh, nearly dropped it. This is number 1, white. I'm going to go in with a little pencil brush. I'm going to tap that off. And I'm going to just pop that in the inner corner of my eye. It changes the whole look. So one thing I did forget to do is my eyebrows. And for my eyebrows, I'm going to be using the Jeffree Star brush. This one here is in JF7. Just going to blend out my eyebrows slightly. And again, I'm going to go in the Marrakesh palette as I'm using this. I'm just going to go in this black colour here. And I'm just going to define the brows. Fuck's sake, I've wrecked my eyebrow again. Look at this. So that is my eyebrows done. I've just had a nightmare. I accidentally bumped my eye and fucked it all completely up. So next I'm going to do all my foundation off camera and everything. And then I will be back with my lips and my highlighter. Girl. Oh my god, I look pale as hell now. I have actually just done my face. My face looks a bit ashy because the concealer I picked up is actually lighter than the concealer that I had before. Well, I didn't realise, so it's slightly lighter on my face. Next, I am going to go into my highlighter using my trusty Burberry with my JS4. And I'm going to just pop that on, tap that off, and I'm just going to... Oh, look at that. Oh, that shine is so pretty. It's very weird doing my makeup here because my makeup station's like over there. So like sitting here and doing my makeup is very, very strange. First time doing it as well in this new like position. Oh, look at this. Oh, this is like blinding. Oh, that's so pretty. So that is my highlighter. I don't take too much on my highlighter. I am going to now go in to the Marrakesh palette again. I'm going to go into these two here. Tap it off and I'm just going to do my under eyes. My final part of my eyes, I'm going to go back in to my, I can't even open it, my Burberry with a pencil brush, and I'm just going to go back into the corner of my eyes, as you can see. This just gives it a bit more definition. Look at that, it looks so pretty in the corner of the eye. And I'm also going to just use whatever's left on here, just to go above the brow bone, just to give it a bit of like definition above my brow bone. Oh, fabulous. For my final pick, I just need to do my lips and my mascara. For my mascara, I'm going to be using that little Burberry that I got in that set. Two previous videos, I will put the link or the picture of it just here. Really can't wait to try this. First time trying it. And I just bumped my flipping eye. Great. It's pretty, but now it's making my eyes water because I just bumped my flipping eye. Makes my eyelashes look stunning, but this brush is like really difficult to work with. So I just bumped the underneath of my eye. I'm gonna just have to let it dry quickly. There you go, that's off now. Do you know what? Makes my eyelashes look really pretty. Quite like this mascara. Might have to buy the full size of it. Cause, I thought it was just a dot. I'm such a twit. Last thing is my lips. I'm gonna go in my Kevin Aquan. This is in... I'll put the name up on the screen. So there it is, absolutely stunning. So I'm gonna pop this on now. I actually got this from TK Maxx again for $4.99. Hello. Oh, it's like a purple. Oh, it looks like brown. Oh. I don't think this colour... Oh, it smells lovely. I think this colour goes with my lips. Bear with. Let me sort this out. So I'm back, and I've just wiped that off, because that was not going with it. Stunning colour, just not with this look. I'm going to go into my Jeffree Star. This is new. Oh, I'm so excited to use this. It is no tea, no shade, and I have wanted this for ages. In my unboxing video of the mystery box, I said I wish I had no tea, no shade. So I have finally got it. As he says on it, he says, shake it up. So I'm going to shake it. Oh, it's such a pretty colour. I can't wait to properly use this. Let's go. Oh, yes. Voila! This is the final look. So I'm just going to set my face, and I'm going to use my Morphe spray. Stunning. So, this is the final look. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. I didn't really talk much about what's happening. I am going to be in Bridgewater next week. I am going to film a video there. So let's see how that turns out, as I will be in a hotel, and the hotel lighting is going to be horrendous because I don't know if I'm going to be able to take my ring light with me. See how that one turns out and see what I can take with me in my small suitcase. Thank you everyone for watching. If you did like watching me, please don't forget to click this notification bell. And then click the subscribe button. What I'm just going to put a little picture there. So if you did like watching me, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, because you're doing a girl good. And thank you everyone who has subscribed. And I'll be uploading every Sunday now, because it's just easier to get around the times. So I will all see you next Sunday with a slightly different video, because I don't know what I'm going to be able to take with me. But I hope you all enjoyed this short but sweet video. Probably not the most well edited ones in the world, because I'm running late doing my editing. Thank you everyone so much for watching, and please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and stay gorgeous everyone. Stay gorgeous. Bye.